Hi, thanks for joining me again. As you can see, I'm out for a ride on the ATV, basically doing a sort of a checking in with all of the hiking trails and stuff, because there was a big storm, actually a snowstorm in mid-April, which is bizarre. But yeah, it brought down a bunch of trees, like this one, that it just split off from here, which is a shame, and it fell just, right across the path here. And another one from this side. So for those of you who are into the whole sort of chainsaw cutting trees stuff, which seems to be quite a lot of you based on the views of the maple cut down, which is just right over there. That's where the maple was. So this whole area here is where my camper is going to go once I've dealt with that maple. And just a quick update on the maple. A couple of people have asked about what the lumber inside is going to look like when it's milled. I had a music wood specialist come and take a look at it to see if there was any good grain figuring and stuff like that in the trunk, and he doesn't seem to think there is. So it's not, sadly, a $10,000 tree. It's probably just mostly either firewood, and hopefully I'll be able to get some live edge slabs out of it. But as you can see, it is not exactly conveniently located, and I certainly don't have a mill capable of milling it. So I may have to invest in a chainsaw mill. I don't have a real chainsaw. I only have this DeWalt electric chainsaw, which is absolutely fine for everything I do out here on a day-to-day basis, but is not capable of milling a gigantic tree like that. So anyway, just a quick update on the maple. So I'm going to get to work on clearing a few trees away, and sort of just generally checking out the property. Oh, there's another one down there. So that's probably going to be most of my day, but it's a beautiful day out, the sun is shining, and yeah, it's just really lovely to be out here. One of the reasons I use an electric chainsaw is because it's quiet. So it only makes noise when I'm actually cutting, not, there's never idling. So it's a much more peaceful way to spend a day out in the woods, caring for the trees or cleaning up after them. See what I mean about it being a quiet chainsaw? It's just peaceful. I don't even need hearing protection. I'm wearing a helmet just so I have head protection, but I don't really need the ear covers. Wow, this whole tree is already split. That's great. I'll be able to use that for something. So this beautiful willow got snapped in half by the snowstorm, which is a shame. But it cannot be hanging like that, that is dangerous. I might just have to bring down that whole right hand section. It's a split tree anyway, with a V right there.